This is the Swiss Cheese 63 Super Duty. Bill, this was one of two built for the legendary Mickey Thompson.
Yeah, some of the greatest drag racers in history, they ran these cars. Arnie Beswick had these, and Mickey Thompson, and as I mentioned before, Dick Jesse and the great Donnie Gay, senior and junior out of Texas, and on and on and on. Swiss cheese chassis to lighten the car. 120 holes are driven through the mainframe of this automobile to take the pounds away. Plus other lightweight pieces, the aluminum hood and the fenders and the aluminum brackets for the bumpers. Go right through the car, you find a lot of lightweight pieces. And in 1963, things came to a crashing halt when the General Motors people decided no more racing. And wow, that was a big shock, not only to the General Motors racers, but to their competitors as well. Suddenly, there was a big hole left in the sky, you might say.
Wow. You mentioned 120 holes. Let's be clear, not just a guy with a drill. I mean, they were strategically placed and well thought out.
Yeah, because they didn't want to compromise the structural integrity of the car.
Exactly.
$570,000. 595. 595. 595,000.
580?
580, 590, 590, 590, 590.
Wow, this is going to be maybe a world record for a Super Duty Pontiac right here.
600,000 now is built.
That's a Pontiac. You don't get excited,
and that is
$100
grand above Mecum's published estimate ahead of the auction.
$625,000 once, $625,000 twice, 650, 625, anybody get 650, or
did Steve McQueen own this car?
You'd begin to think that.
Laugh. None of you thought it was going to.
This is an auctioneer's dream right here.
No doubt.
$650,000. 650,000 once, 650,000 twice.
Not my ideal, but it's 640.
Oh boy. 640. 650. 650. Okay, we now. 650. Yeah, you got him on the ropes. I mean, he's down there at the bottom now. 650.
Lend me some money, baby.
650. I mean, his next stop's going to be Mecum Financial. 650. Come on, man. You've tried. Come on. $650,000. Give him some support. 650. $650,000. Once. Twice. He's going to be driving your car. $645,000. 650. You got him on the ropes.
Hey, 650.
650.
Wow.
675. Do me a favor now. Give $675,000 for it. 675. Or 700 is an option. I'll tell you what, I'll make you a deal. Okay? I'll make you a deal. All these witnesses. You bid 675. If he bids again, I will not come back and ask you for another bid. I promise. I promise I will not ask you again. I'll sell it over here. 675. Yes? $675,000. And I won't ask you again. 675. 660, and I won't ask you again. 660. 660. $660,000. Once, twice, last call, and it is.
Wow.
Sell the car.
Sell it when I'm good and ready to. 660?
Yeah.
Oh, my
See?
word.
See?
That guy
Who was
really
that guy
wants it.
over
They
there?
both do.
660. 700.
No. 675.
$675,000. Now, I told him I wouldn't ask him again. Hey, Russ, do me a favor. Ask him for $700,000.
Sir, give $700,000 for him. He said he wouldn't ask you, but I will. Give 700. Give 700. $700,000. You wore him out. Give 700. $700,000. Anybody else? 685. 680. It's first time I asked you. Give 685. 685. 685. Just do it. Give 685. $685,000. You want to? 685. Anybody else? You want her? 608. Last call. You done? Jimmy?
685. Sold. $675,000. Jordan Hunter. Here's Russ Conklin.
Bill, what a moment that was.
Would you have guessed that we would see that kind of bidding on that car? We knew it
No.
would be well into six figures.